Hi, I would like to, the purpose of this video is to demonstrate you our software demo version that will be available to you for demonstrational purposes and trial for some period of time, and it's going to be accessed through your web browser since it's a web-based software. So here how this software main page looks like. So from this main page, you will be able to record your products. You can also see the tabs on the upper left corner of the screen. These are your main tabs you will be dealing with. So it's products, orders, ingredients, suppliers, clients, and reports. So we're going to start with ingredients tab. And we have here a pre-populated list of all actives and basic ingredients along with their INCI names. It's quite long, as you can see. So how to manage this list? You will be able to either add to the list by clicking the name, and this is actually a button. So here you just recording it as a name. You will be calling it regular name of the ingredient, and then here you will have to enter the proper INCI name for it. And then you hit save button, and the small window, confirmational window, will pops out saying that your record was recorded. Then you can find ingredient by entering the combination of Control F and entering the name, and it's going to show you all the instances this name has. If you're looking for any particular record, you'll have to remember exactly what's the name of this record, and to enter it, continue entering until you enter the full name, and it's going to show you this exact record you're looking for. From here, you will always be able to delete by hitting any record that you need. And then for deleting it, you just click delete, and similar small window again will pop out asking you whether you're sure that you want to delete this record and confirming that this record was deleted. Okay, so we're not going to delete this right now, so I'm just closing this and going back to products tab. So again, this is our main window that we will be mainly working with when recording our products. I also use this window when formulating because it's very convenient, and I'll explain why later on. So here is a small drop-down menu showing all our products recorded so far. So we only have one recorded product in our demo version. And as you can see here, we also have some additional graphs here that we can enter the values, and it's going to reflect here on the ultimate cost of this product. So this page is very interactive. Whenever you change the value here, it's simultaneously going to recalculate the rest of it. So if I enter here the package cost value, then see what's going to happen with the final cost. It's going to change. Same here if I'm adding label cost here, it's also going to comprise it here in a final cost. The batch size you can change. This batch size, I'm working in grams or milliliters, which are approximately it's equal. It can be considered as equal values. So I'm working here in grams. So you can enter any batch size that you need. Say you need 120 grams, and this value quantity will be recalculated as soon as you hit enter button. Here the quantity changed, the cost of per ingredient and the ultimate cost of the product also has been changed. Here you will be that's how you will be entering your comprising your products. So to add an ingredient or to start building your product, you just hit this plus, and it's going to open additional possible record for you. And from this is sort of like drop down menu. You basically just start typing for ingredient name, and either to continue typing it or to choose from this drop down menu that you have here. I'm not going to add it now because we already have 100%, so I'm just going to delete it. Okay, so again, when you enter in your value, you will also have to enter your supplier name, and this is also pre-recorded, or you can add the supplier and actually switching the screens, going back and forth in between this products page and suppliers page, and also do same as you would do with ingredients for adding an ingredient, but here you will be adding a supplier, clicking by the name and entering the name of the supplier, saying for instance Trader Joe, and entering URL. And then hitting save. So that's how this confirmational window is going to look like. And now you have one additional supplier added. So here we're going back to the products page, and here if we will choose Trader Joe, it's gonna pop out now because we have it entered. And then when you enter a price per pound for the particular product, it's going to remember this particular correlation between the ingredient, the supplier, and the price. So the next time when you're going to be entering the same combination of this ingredient and supplier, as soon as you put your cursor here, it's going to put this exact price that was already pre-recorded, and the system remembered the price. Okay, so as I mentioned, this was just for the demonstrational purposes. So I am gonna close this. Don't forget to save your record. If you don't hit the save record after comprising your product and switch or close the software, close the program, your record is not gonna be saved. So just remember to save your changes. Your product would not be able to be saved unless you have the percentage here come up to 100. So you would either, if you want to save your work in progress, you will either have to kind of adapt here to 100%, and then later on finish up the proper entering of the of all your ingredients, or just finish it because it's a precautionary matter. That's how it was designed. So I am with you is going to enter a new product just to demonstrate you how it works. So we're hitting new, and the name would be chocolate body butter, and batch size would be 200 grams. We're not going to be entering package cost, label cost, or extra cost here right now. And here I'm adding ingredients now. So I'm adding cocoa butter. And I'm adding the supplier, Mountain Rose Herbs. And see, it's already remembered the price. So the system I didn't have to type it in. The system already has it. And the percentage, I'm entering 30. Then I'm adding another ingredients, and it's going to be coconut oil, virgin coconut cream, and say it's same supplier. I'm rushing. Okay, so again, system remembers the price, the correlation between supplier and ingredient, and I don't have to do anything here, just to enter the proper percentage to comprise it up to 100. So here we go, and here we recorded the formula. So we have the batch size, we have the cost. So the cost, our cost for the particular product would be $4.94. And if you would like to make if you would like to formulate this product, all that you need is to keep this screen open during your formulation. That's how I usually do it. And your quantity that you want to use for this batch per ingredient will always be here shown in pink, highlighted in pink. So now if we're going to save, hit save button, we would be having this product recorded and reflecting here in our drop-down menu. Easy. And then I'm going to switch back to white chocolate raspberry musk just to show you this little space. It says notes here, and this place was designed to keep your lab and experiment notes that would help you to actually keep track, keep record of your experiments, your trial and errors. I usually do it per date, and then when this space is going to be all filled out, you will see sort of like scroll down here, arrow will come up, and you will be able to go further down or further up with it. So you will keep all this here, that in one space. It helps me, and I'm sure it will help you. You will find it useful. So from here, I would show you how to go to the clients. So here I have some fictional clients, just to show you how it's going to be entered. Again, so we have name, phone, email. I needed this button referred by, so I would keep a track of the reference, address, and active. So just to add the client, we're also clicking by the name button, and then you would enter the name, the phone number, all the information that you need just to record this particular client, and then you would hit save button, and it will show here on this list as well. It will be added to the list. So from here, we will be able to record the order, and this order will be tied to the date, tied to the client, and will be chosen from the available products list. So how we do it? We begin the name, so we can enter the 7th of November. This order ID, the system will be able to assign itself. Client name, you choose from the list. We have the John Smith. I'm going to use that. And out of the product, we're going to choose also the available products that we have. Say it's going to be chocolate body butter. Chocolate body butter. Quantity is 1, or you can put quantities 2 or 3 or 5. And the price you will also have to enter manually, because I find it convenient. So here you can be actually really flexible with the price. So I'm going to enter $25. And shipping and handling is going to be 0 in this case, but the value can be entered here, and then it's going to affect the final price. So again, this is not the cost, this is the price, selling price that you're going to be using for calculations and for comprising your P&L report later on. Okay, and we're going to hit save. Or we can add one more product just again for demonstrational purposes. We also have white chocolate raspberry musk. We're going to enter it here. I'm going to enter the price, say $37. This value is going to change as well. We're hitting save, and we have this order, successfully saved order. So now if you would like to make a search of any order that we have, what we would have is to look by the date. We can look from here. So the date was 7th, and we can do search by date or by client. So if I do search by date, so I have here order ID number 52. This number was assigned by the system. I have order date, I have client, total sale. If I click on this order, it will show me the actual, it's going to open this screen showing me the actual order, what it was comprised of. So more detailed information I will be able to receive from that screen reports. But here I don't have too much data. That's why I wanted to demonstrate you how it works from actual admin that I am working with. So this is my system, my software. This is not the demo version. This is my screen from Illuminata. So if I will enter the time frame, say from the 1st of January, and the end date would be say today, and I would just hit in show. It's going to show me top customer list of purchases for that particular time frame. It's going to show me top products along with the quantity sold, and it's going to show me my P&L for that period of time. That's how much I earned, and the price. It's showing you the price. It's going you to show the cost, and it's obviously showing you your different P&L. Then you will be able to search by the client if you want to know how much a particular client bought from you. We can do that as well. Here it's showing you the listing only per client, along with the dates, number, and all detailed description what was purchased and the P&L for that particular client. You can also play with the date and time frame for the client. It's always going to show you the it's going to change and show you the information that you requested. So I hope that this video was valuable for you, and I hope this information will be sufficient enough for you, and you can use it for as your guide for going to actual demo version and trying it for yourself and see how it works for you, how easy it can find, record, and help you to manage your information and your records. Thank you very much for your attention, and have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.